clean and bright. Try the whitefish back home fresh and light. No worries if you don't have those tonight. Salmon or similar works just right. Salt and pepper, crushed garlic in. Fresh lemon juice, let the flavor sink in. Let it rest 1 or 2 hours slow, so every bite has room to grow. Heat the oil, come, don't rush the flame. Stainless steel, season first, same game. Dry the fish well, that part is key. Flour is optional, towel works perfectly. Skin side down now, don't interfere. No touch and no moving, patience here. Keep the heat steady, not too high. When it's ready it lifts, that's your sign. Slow and steady, trust the sound. Good food knows when to turn around. Let it be, let it tell. Cook with rhythm, bells, 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 bells. Flip it once when it's golden and crisp. Just one clean move, let it exist. 60 to 70 degrees is the zone. Too long and the magic is gone. Take it out, let it rest a while.